Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Facebook notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who no longer want to see those Facebook messages or Facebook updates on your iPhone. How do you actually turn it off, on or off? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is you're first going to go into your iPhone app, and then from here you want to find your settings tab. Next, once you're on settings, click on notifications, and then from this page here you want to scroll all the way down until you find your Facebook app. So Facebook is this blue icon here, so click on your Facebook app, and then I currently have my notifications turned off on Facebook, but if you click on this toggle button, you'll see that it's now been turned on. So your settings might look like this, where you have allowed notifications from Facebook. But in order to turn this back off, you simply just click on the toggle button again, and then there you have it. You've now turned off your Facebook notifications on your iPhone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for Facebook on your iPhone. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.